When this ninja was training in a very strange way, this kid thought he was stronger, but he was quickly reminded to not mess around.
Yo, let me try that. Yo, let me try that.
You know how this works?
Yes, I know how to.
All right, try it out.
Wait, yo, my bones are not right for
Let me
this.
show you how you do this, man. Let me show you how you do this.
Damn.
Or you can hit it like this. Try that, try that.
Hold on. I think I can do that one. I came here for business. Challenge me right now.
All right, go ahead. Punch me.
All right, watch
That's
this.